The job of a Buddhist monk is to love all beings, regardless of who they are and how naughty they might be or how good they might be. The job of a democratic leader is to gather his people together and to unite his people and bring his people as one, regardless of gender, age, color, race, economic background, sexual orientation, and religion. Any democratic country will unite their people, regardless of all I have just mentioned, religion, race, sexual orientation, because we are living in the age of enlightenment. We are living in the age where we realize everyone is the same. What religion we practice is not the issue anymore. You cannot say that person practices Dorjshuten, therefore I don't like them. That person practices Dorjshuten, therefore I won't associate with them. That they deserve to be spat upon. That they cannot come for the Dalai Lama's teachings. How come a Dorje Shugden person cannot go to the Dalai Lama's teachings? How come? They have been attending the Dalai Lama's teachings up till 1996. I have attended many of the Dalai Lama's teachings. I certainly do not intend any harm to the Dalai Lama. I certainly do not have any ill wishes for the Dalai Lama. I certainly do not have any bad thoughts about the Dalai Lama. I have attended Dalai Lama's teachings so many times up till 1996. Because what happened in 1996? Suddenly in 1996, in the CTA's charter, in the CTA's ruling, in the CTA's constitution, all those who practice Dorjshuten may not attend the Dalai Lama's talks, may not go to Tibetan hospitals, may not work in the Tibetan government. Suddenly that ruling came. But you have to remember, before that I was already practicing Dorjshuten for decades. Then suddenly I'm not able to.